everybody, it's your boy Jay coming at you with a Louis Vuitton unboxing review of a fragrance that I feel is worth the money, and I feel you'll definitely love it. But it's just my opinion. But before we even start, please hit that like and subscribe button for me. Definitely appreciate it. Comes in a bag. With the bag, as you can see. I'm gonna move the camera up and kind of see what I'm reviewing. Alright guys, so this is the second packaging that comes inside of this bag. There's a nice little ribbon on it. So today, this review is definitely gonna be a fragrance. Alright, so this is the Louis Vuitton Pacific Chill fragrance. It is absolutely amazing. This is the 3.4 ounce bottle, but it's a perfume. But I'm doing this unboxing for you guys. You can open it this way. Look at what it comes in. It's crazy. I've always loved the body of this. Look at this. So I tried to put a little background here for you guys so you could kind of see the bottle a little bit better. This was $326. And the thing about this is that what I love is that you can refill. And I probably wouldn't have spent that kind of money if I couldn't refill, to be honest. Because I love colognes. I wear all kinds of colognes. I spend a lot of money on them in general. But this is, for me to go to the LV store and spend money on it, it's for a good reason. How the refill works is that you can go in a Louis Vuitton store with your bottle. So please, please do not break this bottle, because people sell these bottles online. Even if you don't want it no more, just sell it online. But please keep the bottle. If you're gonna spend that kind of money, keep the bottle, because you can refill it. You can refill this as many times as you want. But the thing about it is that when you refill, it's half the price of whatever the item costs. It's so good to the point where it's like, you don't want to use all of it. You don't want to use all of it, but you want to use it on occasions, because this is what it's for. This is exactly what it's for. So if I'm going out on a date, if I want to be around important people and I want to smell amazing, or even if I just want to walk outside and get compliments, this is it. This is absolutely it. But this is the newest fragrance by Louis Vuitton. But I didn't really want the bigger bottle because, like I said, I'm perfectly fine with this size. I don't really want to spend $500 on it. Not that I don't have it, but I don't need it. I buy things that I can use in the long run and I can keep using it. I try to spend my money appropriately. This was definitely appropriate for me because I love it. But look at this. You see that? Oh my God. Why is this so good? If you're into like fruit-like smells, if you're in the sun a lot, it's fantastic because it's gonna linger. It lingers. The one thing about this is that even after you shower and you wiped it and all that, you cleaned your hand and all that stuff like that, you'll still smell it on your hand. That's how crazy this is. You spray it on your clothes and you wash your clothes, you're gonna still smell it. That's how strong this is. So before you even go buy it, I would recommend you go smell it first. They have other ones that I have gotten samples from and just tried it on an everyday basis. I didn't get as many compliments from the other ones, but I have gotten compliments from the ones that I have tried. And remember, it's a perfume, not an oil toilet. the perfume always lasts. I only get perfumes because they last, but this has lasted longer than almost my Versace's and my Jimmy Choo's and all those. Has not been able to last as long as this. Just think about it. Just go in a Louis Vuitton store whenever you get the time. You don't have to rush. And it's not even like Louis Vuitton is paying me for this. You're gonna get compliments. It don't matter how you look. It don't matter none of that. Women are gonna stop you. And it's travel size. You can take it with you anywhere, either on a plane, all that. So, worth it. But for more videos, please hit that like and subscribe button for me. And thank you again for watching. I'm gonna do reviews on products of anytime I get them. But you can always check my page because I've done Louis Vuitton reviews in the past. Thank you again for watching, guys. Have a good one. Jay out. Calm down. Calm down, Jay. Calm down. I need a couple compliments today. Going right outside. Exactly what I'm gonna do.